Okay. How can we list out all files, whatever available in the system in the particular directory? We use ls command. Okay. What is a present working directory here? We use pwd, print working directory. So I am at home directory under bkumar directory. Okay. I want to search a file with name test1. How can you search? By using find command. Find, give the path. So dot refers to the current directory, current path. So it is referring to the bkumar directory because we are in this path only. Okay. Find, give the hyphen name test1. Yes, it is available. Okay. Instead of using dot, so this is a kind of a relative path. We use absolute path, complete path we use and search with the name home directory become hyphen name test1. Here you can see file is available. If file is not available, then look for 10. You don't see any result here. We search with the file name. Okay. We try to search with the file extension or partial name. Test. Possible unquoted pattern. Okay. It is not available. Star.txt. Here you can see only text format files. Name test.txt. No. Can we look for other extension? So based on the extension, we can search the files. Okay. We have one more command, locate. Locate, give the file name test1. Okay. So this locate command is not available in this system. Oh, we need to install it. Locate, locate command locate not found. Use T. Okay, we install this command. It is not available. Okay, how can we install? Sudo apt install locate. Okay, locate test1. See, wherever it is available, it displays the file path. Syslog. See in this location, syslog is okay. Exactly look for syslog.config file. Here you can see it. I will search with this name. Locate file name. Wherever this file is available, it displays with the path. if you are unsure where is the file available, you can use this locate. Find exactly, you should know the path. Then only you can search with the file name. Suppose I'm searching in the current location path with this file name. What is the command we use? Find, provide the path. Next, hyphen name, give the file name. It is not available in the current path. What is the current working directory here? Home directory under Bigmar. We are in this directory. So in this directory, there is no file available with this name syslog.config. You can list out that files also here. There is no file available, but you are looking for this exact file name where it is available. How we search entire folder, right? Entire drive. We don't know exactly where it is located. We can use the command locate and file name. It will search entire drive, the root directory, wherever it is available, it list out. Okay. Next, how can we open the file? We know that by using cat command. Using cat, we can open the file, read the file content. Why it is showing error here? Kind of a warning message, no such file or directory. We are trying to read the file which is available under bkumar directory, but actually where it is located? It is located on etc or usr library system d journal config somewhere. uh, there is another folder, right? Actually the file is available in another directory, but we are trying to read from local directory. So just move, navigate to the specific path where the file is available. There we can open it, or else simply use cat command with absolute path, complete path. Use this now. Now file was opened. Okay, read the file content by using cat command. Here I have used absolute path. We have discussed, right, what is absolute path and relative path. Absolute path means we provide the complete path. Okay, right. Next, here cat command, and there is one more command, less. By using less command also we can read the file content. Let's use less command and use the file name. It is less, right? Okay, let me navigate to some where directory. Where, under where we have log folder, cd log ls. Here you can see some syslog cd. Okay, ls hyphen long list. What is this syslog? Syslog is a file. Open this file, less syslog using file name. Permissions denied because I have connected as normal user. Now I need to switch to the root user. For that, sudo su. Now I have admin privileges. Use the same command, less syslog, to open the file. Okay, here we have opened the file. So less command, we need to scroll down to read the more content. It displays few content. To display more command, more data or content, you need to scroll down or scroll up, scroll down. You can read. So at once file will not open. So there are few more commands. Now we are at less command, right? You need to come out from this command. You use q, q for quit. Quit from this less command, and we have few more. mm, to search some keywords in the file. Okay, here I have listed out. Scroll up, uh, scroll up. We use B command. Jump to the end at last line, capital Z. Jump to the start. We use small z. Okay, if you want to search anything, we use slash and specify the keyword. Let me come here. You can use scroll up, scroll down. Okay, search any specific keyword. Use forward slash and enter the keyword. I want to search with error keyword. Type error slash error. It shows wherever that keyword matches. Here you can see error. Okay. And scroll up one page, scroll down. We use a space bar, and we have keys, right? Page up, page down. Those keys also you can use. Okay. Jump to the last line. Use capital G. So this is the last line in the page in the file. This is the last line deactivated successfully. To navigate to the first line in the file, use small g. Okay. All right. So less command helps us to open the file and search the keywords also. Just use slash and type the keyword whatever we want to search. Remount. Here you can see remount. Anyway, and we have few more commands to open the file. More command, but less we use. We don't use much. How to come out from this less command? By using Q. Just enter Q. You will come out from the less command. We can use more command also. It displays file content. Here it is showing more 3%, 4%, 7% like that. Come out from this more command, we use Q. Similarly, how we have used for less command. Okay. There are number of ways how to read the file content. That is your choice. If anybody ask you to how to use less command or more command, you can simply say. So page by page, it will show the content. And we have one more command, head. Head file name. Give the file name. So it displays top 10 lines. Let me open the first file and copy paste in notepad plus plus so that you will relate it to the syslog. Okay, from here also can copy, or else can we move file from Linux server to Windows server by using WinSCP tool? I want this file. Okay, let me move this file anyway. You will also will understand how to move files from Windows to Linux. Let me connect to the WinSCP tool. Where it is. WinSCP. Is it open? Okay. I hope you can see WinSCP window here. Let me connect to the Linux server first. What is the IP address? Please confirm if you can see WinSCP dialog box.
Yeah, bro, it's visible.
Accept. Now we have connected to the Linux server. You can see at right hand side. This is home directory, right? You can navigate to the root directory. This is the root slash. So all directories listed out in the root directory. Now navigate to where under where log directory syslog. This is the file. We can open this file, edit also. How we work in Windows files, right? Similarly, here also we can work. Okay, don't have permissions to open this file. Try to copy. This is my Windows. I don't have permissions. What I can do? I need to provide permissions to my user. So we use chmod command. Chmod. I'm giving full permissions to this file. We'll discuss later how to set permissions to the files. Syslog. Refresh. Yes, now file copied. How to open this file? Double click on this. File will get opened. See, in Notepad in Notepad, file is open. You can see the file content. Now here you can use find Control F. You can search any keyword and read the file content. How we generally do in Windows. But if you don't have WinSCP tool, you have not connected, then you need to read the file content in Linux server only. In Putty tool, there we should use commands to read the file content. Okay. Anyway, let me open this file in Notepad++ to see the lines, file lines. For that, we can add. Okay, let me configure. I want to configure Notepad++ editor, internal, external, browse. File location, Notepad++. I am configuring this tool in WinSCP. Now I can open this file with Notepad++ also. Let me share the screen. Notepad++. Okay. All right. Can you see Notepad++? Okay. Here you can see lines, right? Line number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. I want to display only top 10 lines. I don't want to see entire file content. In Windows, there is no other option. We should open the entire file content. In Linux, we have option to display top 10 lines by using head command. Here we are going to use head, give the file name syslog. So directly you can use head command like this. So it displays first 10 lines from the file. So what is the 10th file log here? 10th line file log here. IP address system finished. Create list of static device nodes. Create static device nodes. This is the 10th file. When we use head command, it displays top 10 lines from the given file. Okay, what is the complete command to use here? So here by default, it returns top 10, but I want to display top 15 lines. Use -n 15. Give the file name syslog. So this is the 15th line. Load kernel module dm underscore mod 15. Load kernel. Here you can see load kernel module dm underscore mod. This is the 15th line, right? So like that, you can display how many lines you want to display, like 20 or 25, 50. So simply use head command, head, head, -n, give the number. 2 lines only you want to see. Use 2, syslog. First 2 lines got displayed here. Only 1 line, use 1. So here you can change the number. That is fine. And one more command we have to list out last 10 lines, bottom 10 lines from the file. For that, we use tail command, tail -n, file name, sys invalid number. Okay, don't use this one also. Syslog, simply use tail syslog. So these are last 10 lines from the file. Root cmd, this is some command, right? Go to end. Here you can see how many lines are there? 5196. This is the last line in the file, right? So here top bottom 10 lines. From here you can see cleanup of temporary directories. This is the log file. Okay, where is the tail command we have used? Finished. Let me clear out again. Use the tail syslog. Back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the 10th one, right? Starting system D. Starting system D. 547. Let me search with this exactly which line it has written. There are many. Go, take everything and search. We have 123 lines. So from the ending, go back. It's difficult to search. Okay, all lines from here. Okay, anyway, the purpose of tail command, it returns last 10 lines from the file. Okay, now there is an interview question. Can you list out files, lines between 20 and 30? 20 and 30. So in a file, we have 50 lines, 50 lines. I want to display 20 to between 20 to 30. How can you display? We know how to display top 20 lines. Top 20 lines, how can you display? Using head command, using head hyphen n 20 file name. But I don't want top 20. I want between 20 to 30. Use 30 here. Head hyphen n 30. You can list out 30 lines. We don't want all 30 lines from 20 only. For that, we need to concat this command with one more command. Pipeline we use to concat two commands. I am going to use again tail hyphen n, simply tail command hyphen n 10. So by default, anyway, it returns last 10 lines. Can we use this command? Syslog between 20 to 30. Okay, I clear out and list out lines which are between 50 to 60 or 50 to 70. Use head command. First display 70 lines, 70 from the file syslog. Use concat like pipeline. So first we get 70 lines. Out of these 70 lines, again we are going to take only 20. That means 50 to 70 lines we can display. This is the command we use. So here you can change the number. So this was also interview question somebody asked earlier. What next? Head tail command. Okay, there is one of the most important uses of tail command. So this tail command helps us to monitor, to read the live file. So the file is keep on updating. We can see the latest logs, live logs. In Notepad++ or Notepad, once we open the file, if the file is getting updated in the back end, we need to refresh it. So again, close and reopen the file to check the latest data. Okay, in Linux, we have a command, tail command. Using that, we can read the latest logs which are printing. So application is being used by someone, so that logs are being updated, right? Always the log file will get keep on increasing. How can we see recent updated logs? This is also one of the important interview questions. Okay, how to read the latest logs or recent logs which are printing? Use the tail command only. Tail hyphen f file name syslog. Here you can see it didn't come out from the file. If any log is printing in this file, it will display here. You can come out from this command, use Control C. Okay, last 10 lines only we can see. If you want to see more than 10 lines, use 20. It displays last 20 lines. NF use like this. -N 20-F. It displays recent 20 lines. Okay, let me add something in the background. Take one more session. Okay, we'll connect to the putty. And is it possible to take duplicate tab? SH-P, use the IP address. What is the IP address? E-commerce @ Suppose you take another user, Ubuntu at IP address. Bad port. Okay. -P 2022 Ubuntu sudo su. We edit this file, syslog file, vam var log syslog. Here I'm going to add some lines. Set. This is a test log. Okay, save this. WQ. Okay, file is saved. Here you can see it. This is a test log displayed. I have not entered any command. We just use tail -F -N20 and file name. What is the benefit of using this command tail -F? We can display or we can read the recent logs which are printing in the file in the background. Live logs we can monitor. Okay. All right. Next, move on to tail command is done and editing. How can we edit files? We have two commands, nano command and vam. By using these commands, we can edit. Either we can use vi or vam. So these are editing tools in Linux. Mostly I use vi. If it is not working in that specific server, then we use vam. I have used nano command very less. Anyway, we'll try to edit the file using nano command. come out from this tail command. Okay, go back to home directory. B, okay, directly how can we switch without entering this entire path? We have one shortcut, right? CD tilde, the symbol you can use. Okay, it will take you to the your home directory. Okay, we are in root user, right? That's why come out from this root first. Exit. Use CD tilde. Now you can verify where you are. You are in root directory. I will create one file. Okay, with the vi nano nano test dot txt. Here you can refer the commands. Okay, I am just typing some content here. You want to exit capital X, use capital X, escape, control control X. Sometimes it will not work. Yeah, that's why I don't use this nano command. It confuses me. Say modified buffer. Okay. How can we read it? Nano test. So this is the content we have added. But I don't prefer nano command. But most of the people would use. But I use VIM or VI. This is mostly user friendly command for me. VI command, I think it is not working in this system. Let me try that. VI ITIL file. I am creating ITL file. Oh, it's working. So if you want to insert some content to this file, right? First we enter I. We enter into the insert mode. I enter the comment. Data you can ITIL stands for information technology infrastructure library. Library. Okay. Service operations. Under service operation we have instant management. What is instant management? So you can revise your concepts, whatever we have already covered, right? Problem management, change management. Okay. I just created a file. Okay. How can we save it? Escape, press escape, colon, WQ, exclamatory. This one we should use to save the file. Okay. File is saved. Can we read the file by using cat command? Okay. In two ways we can read the file. Use VI command also to read the file. Yes, you can see file content. So without inserting any data, you need to come out from this file. Same escape, colon, Q, fit from the file without saving. If you modify anything also, it will not reflect. It will not get saved. You can quit out from the file. So here interview question would be, How to save the file in VA editor? How can you save it? So people will get confused. So now I want to insert some data. For that, I enter into the insert mode, enter I. Now I can insert whatever content I want. After that, I don't want to save this one. For that, or save it, you need to come out from the insert mode. How can you come out? By pressing escape, escape button, enter escape button. Next, enter colon. If I simply use Q exclamatory symbol, then file will not get saved. Without saving file, we can fit from this command. Fit simply without save. If you want to save this file content, use W Q exclamatory. Okay. Here we have to save file in EVI or VIM. Both are same. VI or VIM editor. Use first thing escape. After escape colon, enter colon Q exclamatory. This one without save, without save, without save file. Same way escape colon Q W exclamatory. Save. Okay. Next, we have many commands or keywords we have in VA editor. We will discuss later. Okay, how to delete lines, entire line I want to delete. How can we delete and search the content inside VA editor? We will discuss later. Simply, what we learned, how to create the file and how to edit file in VA editor. So insert mode, right? Enter I to enter something. We use insert mode. Simply use I. That's it. It will allow you to edit the file. Next, we have grep command. So we have seen find command. Find command, it is used to search the files. Grep command, it is used to search the specific text or specific keywords inside a file. So this is a file. I want to search something with a keyword. Mm, file name, view. I want to search with view keyword. I have to use Control F, then enter the keyword, whatever I want to search. Similarly, how can we search content inside a file in the Linux server? So we use grep command. Grep, use the text or mention the keyword, whatever we are going to search in the specific file. This command helps. Hyphen I. So case insensitive. When I search like this it will only check with the case sensitive. So exact name, it looks for the exact name. When I use hyphen I, uh, it looks for any matched keyword. It can be upper cases or lower cases, anything. Okay. So we have ITL file, right? Let me open this using cat command. We can use anything. Let me search with incident keyword. Use grep. Use the text incident file name .txt. Here you can see incident management. we add one more keyword there. VIITIL TXT. How can we enter into the insert mode? So if I try to add anything, it will not allow me to add here. Okay, for that, enter I. Now here you can see insert. It is insert mode. Type incident. Incident. Hmm. Save this incident. It is lower cases. Incident. It is upper. Okay. Use completely incident. Upper case. Okay. Save this. Escape colon WQ exclamation. Save this file. Now grep incident. How many keywords written? Only one, right? Where it is exactly matched. Use one more. Fun I. Here you can see. It returns exactly wherever it matches with the name. It can be upper cases or lower cases, anything. The keyword matched, it returns. Non-case sensitive. This is case sensitive. Exactly, it is looking for the matched keyword. Here, it can be anything with the name, with the keyword. The letter can be uppercase or lowercase. Okay, that is the use of hyphen I. This is also one of the interview questions only. How can you search keywords irrespective of case sensitive? Okay. Next, recursively in entire path. I don't know the specific file. I don't want to search in the specific file itl.txt. In entire directory, wherever the keyword matches, I want to list out those files. Search recursively in a directory. We use -r. grep. This was also important one. Somebody asked already this question. How to search keywords recursively in the directory. Okay. I am using incident. This time I'm not going to use the file name. Let me use the path. Home. See, it return with the file path and content. We use both hyphen IR. So what scenarios we use in real time? It it would be, it will be helpful for us to search the logs. There are 10 files, 10 log files in one directory. We are going to search with the one keyword. So wherever the keyword matches, we want that file name. We don't know exact file name to give here like this. There are 10 files or 20 files. We can't open each and every file and look for the specific keyword. I want to search with the error message. I don't know which log file contains the error log. How can we use? Simply go with grep -ir, type error and give the path. So we use where log path, where log. Okay. Here you can see this files contains error message. It can be uppercase or lowercase because I have used -r, -ir. These logs I don't have access to read. We'll see later how to set the permissions for each file by using chmod command. Okay. All right. So tomorrow we'll discuss what are soft links and hard links. We'll move to the next day these topics. So these are simple shortcuts how we use in Windows environment, right? How to create shortcuts in Windows. Similarly, we create shortcuts in Linux server also by using ln command. Ln. So what is hard link? What is soft link? We'll discuss tomorrow. So far, have you understood whatever we have discussed? So what we have discussed, how to view the file content using cat command and less command. We frequently use cat command to directly display the data. If you want to search something inside the file, we use less command. Okay, it helps us to view or search any commands in the specific file, and step by step we can read the file content. And we have head command. I don't use more command mostly. It is just to know by using more command also we can read the file content. Head command. Rarely we use head command. Okay, to list out top 10 lines or to list out first number of given lines. Suppose I want to list out only 100 files. I can use head hyphen n 100 file name. Okay, tail command. It is useful command to read the recent logs. Okay, here I have mentioned that continuously watch file changes. Whatever logs are being printed in the background, those logs also we can watch by using tail hyphen f. Tail command, it shows last 10 lines by default. Tail file name. If I use tail hyphen n 25 file name, then it displays last 25 lines. Okay, we have seen, right, default lines and specified lines from the file. Last 25 lines it displays. Next, we have used somewhat keywords when we use less command. So for less, we have these are the keywords we use. For coming out from the less command, we use quick q command to quit, and search forward slash and keyword. Next search line small n. Okay, when we frequently use this less command, these are required to remember. Otherwise, you can ignore. Similarly, we can open the file in VI editor, VI file name. If it is not working, try with VIM. Sometimes we have to install this VI editor tool. apt install VI or VIM. You can install it. Okay. How to insert records? How to add? We need to enter into the insert mode. For that, type I. Once you enter into the insert mode, you can add content. So we have two options. Either you can save the file or without save the file. For that, we need to come out of the escape mode. Enter escape. Next type W. No, sorry. Colon Q W exclamatory and save the file. If you don't want to save the file, simply escape colon Q exclamatory. You come out from the editor without saving the file. And we use grep command. So here I am telling one more interview question is, what is the difference between find and grep command? What is the difference between both find and grep commands? Find, it is used for searching the files. Grep command, it is used to search specific pattern in the file, specific string pattern or text keywords. Search inside the file. That is the difference. Okay. And one more intro question is here. How to search the keyword recursively in entire directory. We use this command grep -r text keyword and give the path. If I use -f, it search the content non-case sensitive. Okay. Tomorrow we'll discuss about links, hard link and soft link. So far, this is fine. All right. Do you have any questions or clarifications, guys? We just discuss and wrap up this session for today. No questions.